You see all the mold has been removed. It's been polished and waxed. All the plastic has been restored. All the rubber has been restored. Buffed out. All of it. The metal looks decent now. Interior is amazing. Carpet shampooed. All they need to do now is pull off these seat covers, because the seats are nice, or wash the seat covers, put them back on. This vehicle is for sale. Don't know how much it is though. But you'll definitely get you always get more for a vehicle when it looks good. It smells good on the inside. Typically when we do vehicles, they sell within a day or two, usually not longer than a week. Yeah, that's the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Faithful Angel right there. She has a pet care and cleaning service. You can find her on YouTube, Google, World Wide Web, Facebook. Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Faithful Angel. Pet care and cleaning service lady right there. This truck looks a lot great. There's before pictures on the Facebook page. Also too, they should be right underneath this one or on top of this video here. Wow, it's a halfway decent truck now. Awesome. The owner's going to be very pleased. So far 6 hours with 2 people. I got to spend 30 more minutes on it. We can get it back to the owner. Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington. Car Wash Man. World Wide Web. Facebook, hundreds of videos, lots of references and referrals. YouTube, hundreds and hundreds of videos, cars, motorhomes. Guys, have a great day.